How to find gender settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find gender settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and then click these 3 points here and now click settings and then click account info and then just go down and here you can find gender settings. You can change it, and after you change it just click save and it will be saved. And that's how to find gender settings on Roblox mobile, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.